he has played the role of former President of the United States, Barack Obama.
You garnered a lot of attention for taking on the mob as prosecutor, and
he's been a colonel in was it Peaky Blinders?
Carl, these days there are some very stupid people saying some very stupid things.
He was even in the Barbie movie playing like a Dixie type of surfer dude.
Ken, I got us both back. Hi Barbie. Barbie.
And no, he was selected for the role of Bob Marley, and he did an amazing job. Like, round of applause for Kingsley. Like, he actually exceeded my expectations. Because when me jump in there in a minute, I say, well, let me just go support Brand Jamaica, because maybe if him come in and him sound like, you know, them little touristy type of people that work at the hotel, them we have to deal with the foreigners, them. Yeah, man, Irie, man, welcome to Jamaica, man. Feel Irie, feel good.